Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Today, we're taking a look at the Shark Vertex Cordless. This is the cordless version of the powerful Shark Vertex Upright. Does it clean as well as the upright vacuum? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test vacuums against 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. On our test, the Vertex Cordless did a good job, but not quite as well as the corded upright. On hardwood, it achieved a 99.5%, cleaning nearly all debris types. On low-pile carpet, the Vertex Cordless was able to completely clean the larger debris types, cereal and rice, but it struggled with finer debris, kitty litter and sugar. Its low carpet average removal score was a 95%. High-pile carpet results were slightly better than low-pile. Again, the Vertex Cordless was flawless on cereal and rice, but it left behind some kitty litter and sugar. The high carpet average removal score was a 96%. The Shark Vertex Cordless builds on the form factor of previous cordless Shark vacuums in addition to an improved DuoClean brush roll design. It is a 2-in-1 design that can run as a cordless stick or cordless handheld. It is simple to convert to a handheld and attach tools. It features the DuoClean brush roll system. The Vertex has 2 rollers, a soft roller and a spiral rubberized roller. The rubber roller has power fins which help pull debris into the vacuum. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll designed to prevent hair from tangling. When the vacuum encounters a mess, the soft roller pulls in debris and also helps to polish the floor. The rubber roller agitates the carpet fibers to bring debris to the surface and suck it into the vacuum. The rollers rotate in opposite directions to more effectively capture debris. The Shark Vertex Cordless is 47 inches tall, 10.2 inches wide, and 9.5 inches deep. The cleaning path is about 8 inches wide. When not in use, you can compactly store the vacuum with the flexible wand. It weighs 9 pounds as a stick vacuum and 3.9 pounds when used as a handheld. The dustbin capacity is 0.32 liters. Compared to the Shark Vertex Upright, the cordless is about the same size, but it's significantly lighter and has a smaller dustbin capacity. The Vertex Upright weighs 16.4 pounds and has a dustbin capacity of 1.1 liters. If you're interested in buying the Shark Vertex Cordless, we've got a link in the description. The Shark Vertex Cordless comes with a crevice tool, dusting brush, and multi-tool. The tool attachments work well when using the vacuum as a handheld. The tools can also be attached to the end of the extension wand to create additional reach. The Vertex Cordless has 2 cleaning modes, bare floors and carpet. It also has a pull trigger to activate max power. It's easy to convert the Vertex from stick to handheld. As a handheld, it's extremely lightweight and can be used with the included attachment tools to clean hard-to-reach areas. The Vertex is able to run for up to 60 minutes measured in handheld mode on standard power. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel and it's totally free. Maneuverability on the Vertex Cordless is solid. The lightweight stick design makes it easy to move around your home. The Pivot Flex cleaning head is able to swivel at a tight turning radius, making it easy to clean around corners and furniture. The Vertex can also lay nearly flat against the floor. The cleaning head pulls itself forward as you clean, and we were surprised at the force. It really does drive forward, especially on hard floors and low carpets. Lastly, the flexible wand is a great add for both storage and squeezing under furniture. Maintenance on the cordless Vertex is consistent with other cordless stick vacuums. Users will need to check the brush roll for tangles and clogs. The dustbin empties out the front in a point and shoot style. It's a fairly small capacity, so it will likely need to be emptied after every cleaning. The HEPA filter will need to be periodically replaced. And lastly, you'll need to periodically charge the battery. It should take several hours for the battery to fully recharge. Here's a noise level demo so you can hear what the Vertex Cordless sounds like. So, should you buy the Shark Vertex Cordless? The Vertex Cordless does a great job at multiple floor surface types. The DuoClean brush roll is gentle on hardwoods, but the power fins are able to dig down into carpet. In addition, the Vertex also has a good selection of tools for handheld use. Another highlight of the Vertex Cordless is the lightweight body. At 9 pounds as a stick vacuum and 3.9 pounds as a handheld, it's extremely light and portable. Although the clean performance was lower than what we saw on the Vertex upright, relative to the broader universe of cordless vacuums, performance was quite good. When you couple the numerous usability features with the performance, 60-minute runtime, and improved DuoClean brush roll design, it really is a solid cordless vac. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Shark vacuum at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Shark Vertex Cordless. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe!